Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Des, and today I'm doing an unboxing and review for the GoFit Pro Power Loops. And so here we go. I got these for Christmas for my sister, and I'm super excited. Looks like it comes with this little bag. This little sticker says GoFit. And then the medium band, which is purple. The light band is yellow. And then the heavy band is green. And it comes with a little book. Has a lot of warnings. And then it looks like it has an exercise program for the loops already created, which is awesome. And I'll go ahead and be doing one of these exercise programs for my workout Wednesday, and that'll be on the coming Wednesday. And yeah, so hopefully you guys tune in for that. And here's some of the workouts, just some balance exercises. And yeah, I'm pretty excited. I can't wait to use it. This is the one that you see all those Instagram girls doing with their bands. And yeah, super excited. And I'm gonna go ahead and try to use them too right now and see how they are, see how the stretch feels, if they roll and stuff like that. So we'll see. Ankles. It does want to roll. You can feel that. So the light one does start to roll a little bit. I'll try the medium, see how that rolls, if that one rolls too. That was my biggest issue when I was looking for some. I wasn't sure if they'd roll, if that would affect anything. Also, the light doesn't really have any resistance at all. Let's try this one. This one does have a lot more resistance than the light. My hamstrings are burning. And let's try this heavy. I'm already sweating. Also, the medium one didn't roll. It wasn't rolling like the light one. So it's probably just the amount of tension. So here we go. Oh. Woo. Oh, it's not gonna hurt. Oh. Whew. This one doesn't want to roll either, which is awesome. I'm probably going to be using the medium first, and then when I get the strength, then I'll switch to the green. But the yellow one, I don't really feel any resistance, so I'm just gonna skip that one probably. But we'll see how it goes when I actually start the workouts. Yeah, I'm so excited, so happy that I got this for Christmas. But yeah, so watch out for that workout Wednesday. I'll be posting that, and it'll be all of these exercises that you saw here. So yeah, I like it so far from the testing, but we'll see how it goes with the workout Wednesday. Thanks, bye.